Ever wondered who maintains and restores our electrical power? These are the power linemen, the dynamos who keep our world illuminated, our homes warm, and our lives connected. Their role is complex, demanding dedication, tenacity, and a keen sense of safety. Becoming a power lineman is a multi-step process that involves a combination of education, training, and practical experience. The journey starts with a high school diploma, paving the way for further specialized learning. A robust grounding in mathematics, physics, and mechanical skills holds immense value. What follows is the decision to enroll in a formal lineman training program or apprenticeship, offered by institutions like technical schools, community colleges, or industry organizations. These programs offer a structured path combining classroom instruction and hands-on training to equip you with the necessary skills. Choosing the right educational path sets the foundation for a successful career as a power lineman. An apprenticeship is a crucial step, combining classroom instruction and on-the-job training. Aspiring power linemen often enter formal apprenticeship programs that typically span 3 to 4 years. This period is filled with practical, hands-on training in climbing utility poles, working with electrical equipment, and performing tasks related to power line installation, maintenance, and repair. It's like being in the field, but with a safety net. This is where you learn to navigate the everyday challenges of the profession. The apprenticeship phase is where theory meets practice, truly shaping a power lineman. Safety and continuous learning are non-negotiable aspects of a power lineman's career. The perils of working with live electrical systems and at great heights demand rigorous safety training and unwavering adherence to protocols. But that's not all. This field is a dynamic one, forever evolving with new technologies and safety practices. As a power lineman, you must keep pace, participating in ongoing training and professional development. Staying safe and up-to-date with new technologies and practices is not just a requirement, it's an ethic. After completing your apprenticeship, it's time to step into the field. You'll start applying for entry-level lineman roles, gaining hands-on experience, and maybe even specializing in areas like distribution or transmission lines. But remember, maintaining safety standards is paramount. Becoming a power lineman is a journey of dedication, physical fitness, and a commitment to safety. They play a vital role in our communities, especially during emergencies and power outages.